Ready? I'll try to do this in one shot.
Okay. Looking good, you're ready.
Hey folks, I'm Conrad with Remax Professionals, and this is a West Edmonton edition of the Real Estate Experience, because I'm coming at you from the community of Suder Greens, where I have a 1,300 square foot bi-level, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom on the end of a cul-de-sac, huge pie lot. Let's get this started.
Beat it up like piñata. Turn the jobs, close the curtains.
I'm lucky enough to be able to list one fantastic property, and this home is just spectacular. It's a bi-level, and for those of you that don't know what a bi-level is, let me take you through a course at the Real Estate Experience University. A bi-level is like a bungalow, but it's unlike a bungalow because it is raised. In most bungalows, the basement is dark and dingy, but not in bi-levels. Because it is raised, you have big windows in the basement. All right, back to our regular programming. So this home behind me offers over 1,300 square feet. It's got that open concept that everyone looks for these days. There's lots of windows, so there's tons of sunlight that pours into the home. You have a gorgeous kitchen that's open, a living room with a gas fireplace. There's a formal dining room. And for those of you that need the space, this home has a fully finished basement. The current homeowners have kept this house in impeccable shape. Come with me, let's go inside.
Sometimes you're better off dead. There's a gun in your hand, it's pointing at your head. You think you're mad, too unstable, kicking in chairs and knocking down tables in a restaurant in a West End town. Call the police, there's a madman around, running down underground to a dive bar in a West End town. In a West End town, a dead end world, the Eastern boys and Western girls. In a West End town, a dead end world, the Eastern boys and Western girls. Too many shadows, whispering voices, faces on posters, too many choices. If, when, why, what, how much have you got? Have you got it, do you get it? If so, how often? Which do you choose, a hard or soft option? In a Western town, a dead end world, the Eastern boys and Western girls. In a Western town, a dead end world, the Eastern boys and Western girls. Western girls. Western girls. Place that no one knows, where money talks and streets are gold. Someone stands in every no matter what you heard, my music at work, my music at work.
And the garage, hot and cold taps, floor drain, heated, commercial grade epoxy floor. Can someone say man cave? And now I'm gonna show you my favorite part about this property. If you like a yard, this one has a 780 square meter pie lot. For those that like Imperial, that's over 8,400 square feet of yard that you can call your own. And not only do you have a large yard, it's tastefully landscaped. You have this huge tiered deck that I'm standing on right now. And if you play your cards right,
you can have all of this. Oh yeah.
was the property tour. Hope you guys really enjoyed that one. I know I had a lot of fun in this house. If you'd like more information, I will leave a link in the description. And if you know someone that would love to call this home, you never know, maybe it's even you. Feel free to tag them in the comments section. And you're probably wondering why I have a boa constrictor on my neck. I have absolutely no reason why. Isn't he cool though? His name's Bam Bam. Say hi, Bam Bam.
Hello.
All right, Conrad out, peace. That's cool.